Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell PLR on Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So PLR is also known as private label rights, and we can actually sell them on Etsy. Here's how. So first, we need to understand Etsy's policy. So in order for us to understand Etsy's policy, all you need to do is to go to the About section, and there you can actually find policy. Now, as an Etsy seller, it is actually our responsibility to be familiar of Etsy's policy regarding selling of digital products. This is also to ensure that selling PLR is allowed on the platform and that you need to review any specific guidelines or restrictions related to the type of digital products you plan to offer. So there are actually a lot of PLRs that you can sell on Etsy, and that includes ebooks, guides, also like chat GPT listings could also be like one of the PLR products that you can sell on Etsy, and even digital planners. So of course we do not want to take the risk to be a seller that wouldn't be able to comply to the policies. So second is you need to create or acquire PLR products. So there are actually two platforms where I'll be introducing you to. First is PLR.me. So you can actually obtain or create high quality PLR products that are in demand and valuable to potential buyers. So in this platform, PLR.me, you can actually see PLR products already, especially ebooks, where you can actually buy them and resell them at a friendly cost. Now, another platform that I'll be introducing to you guys is the PLRhustle.com, and in here you could also obtain PLR products, same as in PLR.me. You can actually get some ebooks for a very good price and you can resell them on Etsy. Right, so this can include ebooks, articles, graphics, templates, even audio files, or any other digital content that can be sold with private label rights. So as I mentioned a while ago, you could also have ChatGPT listings. Another way that you can create your own PLR is through using ChatGPT. So here you can actually acquire ideas on what kind of PLR you would be selling, or like the niche that you could start with. So say for example you want to create a PLR of a recipe book with an Italian cuisine. So all you need to do is to make use of the chat box here at ChatGPT, and basically you just need to follow and to redesign it in Canva or other platform where you could actually make use of. All right, so there are actually a lot of contents that you could sell on Etsy, and yeah, that includes again ebooks, articles, graphics, templates, audio files, or any other digital content that can be sold with private label rights. Again, just be specific on the kind of PLR that you're selling. Next is you need to customize your PLR content. So you need to be different from the other PLR products that are in the market. This is also to add value and making your products unique. So customizing and personalizing your PLR content will make it more attractive to buyers. This would involve rewriting, rebranding, adding additional content, or enhancing the graphics to provide a fresh and exclusive product. And in order for you to rebrand, you can actually use Canva. So there you can actually see, like for example, ebook covers of templates. There are different kinds that you can actually choose from. So it would be best if you do have the paid Canva account, so that there would be more elements that you could be using and there would be more available templates for you to choose from. And another one that you could actually make a rebrand on the cover is here at myecover.com, and in here you could also, it's kind of like similar to Canva, wherein you can actually create different kinds of cover for your PLR, and make use of them. Now, of course, this is the most important one. This is creating your listing. So here is an example listing of a PLR from Etsy. So all you need to do is to sign into your Etsy account and go to your shop manager to create a listing for your PLR products. As much as possible, you need to provide detailed and accurate descriptions of the products, including what buyers can expect and any usage rights or limitations. This is very important, guys. As much as possible, you need to use high quality images and relevant tags to enhance the visibility to Etsy search as well. So here, next step is you need to determine your pricing. So as much as possible, set competitive prices for your PLR products based on factors like the quality, uniqueness, and market demand. Consider the value you're providing to buyers and the potential usage and resale rights you're offering as well. So here, of course, you need to research on how you can price your PLR. If you have obtained it, then you just need to be careful in how you price it as well. Now, next is you need to manage your delivery. Since you're reselling digital products, you'll need to provide a way for buyers to access their purchase files. Etsy's platform actually allows you to upload files directly or even use third-party delivery methods to ensure that buyers receive the files promptly and securely after the purchase. Right, and as much as possible, I just recommend you using the Etsy because it's really easy. Now, next is it's also important to promote your shop. So take an active role in promoting your Etsy shop and PLR products. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so content marketing and email listings to reach potential customers. Participate in relevant communities or forums to showcase your expertise and build a reputation. Next is provide excellent customer service. So respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues or concerns, and provide assistance when needed. Positive reviews and satisfied customers can contribute to the success and growth of your Etsy shop. So basically, that is how we can actually start creating or selling PLR products on our Etsy accounts. Also, remember to comply with the copyright laws and ethics when using and selling PLR products. Respect any usage rights or restrictions associated with PLR content you acquire or create. And be transparent with buyers about the specific rights they have when purchasing your PLR products. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.